What's going on, guys? This is the second episode of the 5.3 E46 build, and what we're going to do today is install the retrofit oil pan and the starter. Okay, so we have the TSP oil pan here and the baffle kit, and it's a little tricky putting it in. It goes in this way, and obviously, as you can see, doesn't go straight in. So put this side in first, and then move the bottom pieces, kind of bend them around the bolt holes so that we can push it down a little bit. That way, let's see, caught that somewhere. So now I'm caught on the back. Okay. So I just push this in, push this around this bolt hole down here so that it slides down and in. I've seen other people say that you need to cut it, but you just need to maneuver it a little bit to get it in there and flush. And it takes 4 bolts. And you torque those down to about 8 to 10 pounds. And then you put medium blue thread locker on them. I stole the thread locker from my AR5 adapter kit because I don't have any of my own. Set to, I said 9 pounds. So now I'm going to take the old oil pan off. Break them all loose with this, and then zap them all off with my electric torque wrench. Pan's got some sludge in it. Not terrible. Now I know I'm supposed to probably cut this windage tray for the new pickup. Let's see what other kind of modifications I might have to do. Pickup tube looks good. Pickup tube actually uses 2 bolts for the pickup on the oil pump, which is nice. flat to the surface, not interfering. Cool. Your mileage may vary, but mine seem to turn out pretty well. Just fit the oil pan. So it actually fits pretty nicely. Okay, well, I guess I don't have to clearance the window straight, which is nice because it's pretty late and I didn't want to use power tools or waste more time. So that is great. Like I said in the last video, this is a Holley 302-1 replica. And unlike the Holley, it does come with new pan bolts and a new oil pan gasket. I don't have a bolt hole underneath the drain plug, so I guess I just leave that one out. It's weird because the OEM oil pan has the same provisions. Okay, so all these smaller bolts around the edge get torqued to 18 pounds. Yeah, 18. And then these top two long ones get torqued to 106 inch-pounds. Alright, oil pan is all completely on. Hopefully there's no leaks. I actually want to put the starter on since that came in. It goes right here. So this just sits on here like so. And 2 bolts go through. I couldn't find a torque rating for these, so I'm just gonna get them nice and snug. Flip this bad boy over and then put the dipstick in, and she'll be set other than an oil filter. probably a lot of time-lapse footage. On the next episode, we're gonna test fit it in the car and hopefully get the wiring prepped for the ECU. So if you like this content, if you could, give me a like and subscribe down below, and then hit the bell if you want to see more and get notifications when I upload. I'm gonna try to do these weekly, like I said in the last video. So thanks again, and see you in the next one.